Bonjour! In this lesson, we are going to learn about pronom tonique. Pronom tonique. Pronom tonique are stressed pronouns or disjunctive pronouns in English. Stressed pronouns or disjunctive pronouns are used to emphasize on a subject or an object in a sentence. Now, in French, these pronoms toniques are moi, toi, lui, elle, nous, vous, eux, and elle. Those are the pronoms toniques. Now, the first one, moi, means me. Me. This me, you place it before a sentence that starts with je. For example, you already know a sentence like Je m'appelle Pierre. I am called Peter. Je m'appelle Pierre. Now, when you place moi in front of Je m'appelle Pierre, it becomes me, I am called Peter. Me, I am called Peter. Moi, je m'appelle Pierre. Me, I am called Peter. Now that me is the one that is used for emphasizing on that subject. Me, I am called Peter. And therefore, moi is placed before je. Moi, je m'appelle Pierre. Then we have toi. Toi is you. Toi is you. And it is placed before a sentence that starts with tu. For example, you already know this sentence. Tu t'appelles Pierre. Tu t'appelles Pierre. You are called Peter. Tu t'appelles Pierre. Now, we want to emphasize and say you are called Peter. You are called Peter. That you is toi. Toi. Toi, tu t'appelles Pierre. Toi, tu t'appelles Pierre. You are called Peter. And then we have the third one, lui. Lui means him. Him. It is placed before a sentence that starts with il. For example, il s'appelle Paul. He is called Paul. Il s'appelle Paul. He is called Paul. Then we want to say him. He is called Paul. Him. He is called Paul. That him is lui. That him is lui. And then it becomes lui, il s'appelle Paul. Lui, il s'appelle Paul. Him, he is called Peter. Therefore, lui goes together with il. Lui, il. Lui, il. Then we have elle. Elle. Elle means her. It means her. Her. And it goes together with elle. A sentence starting with elle. Elle s'appelle Janine. Elle s'appelle Janine. She is called Jane. Now we want to say her. She is called Jane. Her for emphasizing. Her, she is called Jane. And therefore, that her is elle. Elle s'appelle Janine. Elle s'appelle Janine. Then we have nous. Nous means us. Us. It means us. And it goes together with a sentence with nous, or a sentence starting with nous. For example, we already know our sentence. Nous nous appelons. We are called. Nous nous appelons Pierre et Janine. We are called Peter and Jane. Nous nous appelons Pierre et Janine. We are called Peter and Jane. Now we want to know how to say as we are called. That as is the one for emphasizing, and it is the one that we are calling pronom tonique. And it is placed before a sentence starting with nous. Nous nous appelons Pierre et Janine. Nous nous appelons Pierre et Janine. As we are called Peter and Jane. Then we have vous. Vous is you. Vous is you, and it is placed before a sentence starting with vous. Vous. Vous vous appelez Pierre et Janine. Vous vous appelez Pierre et Janine. You are called Peter and Jane. You are called Peter and Jane. Now, we want now to emphasize you. You are called Peter and Jane. You are called Peter and Jane. Therefore, it becomes that you is vous. Vous vous appelez Pierre et Janine. And then we have eux. Eux. Eux is them. Them masculine. Them masculine. It goes together with il. Il. This one is for male. Il s'appelle Jean et Pierre. Il s'appelle Jean et Pierre. They are called John and Peter. Now we want to emphasize with them. Them, they are called Peter and John. Them, they are called Peter and John. That them is eux. That them is eux. Eux, ils s'appellent Pierre et Jean. Number 2, another use of eux. It is also used when we have both male and female. We have both genders. For example, il s'appelle Janine et Paul. They are called Jane and Paul. That we use eux because now we have both genders. We have both male and female. We use eux. And then we have elle. Elle plural. Elle meaning them, and it is female. Meaning them, and it is female. Elle goes together with elle plural. For example, we have elle s'appelle Pauline et Marie. Elle s'appelle Pauline et Marie. They are called Pauline and Mary. Now we use them. Them, they are called Pauline and Mary. Both of them are female, and therefore we use elle. Elle goes together with elle. And therefore, in short, moi goes together with je. Toi, tu. Lui goes together with il. Elle goes together with elle. Then we have nous goes with nous. Vous with vous. Eux with il, and elle with elle. Plural. And here are some sentences. Here are some sentences. You see, moi, je m'appelle Marie. Me, I am called Mary. Toi, you. Toi, tu t'appelles Kamau. Toi, tu. Toi goes with tu. Toi, tu t'appelles Kamau. Eux, ils s'appellent Paul et Johnson. Them, they are called Paul and Johnson. You see, O goes with il. Then we have nous goes with nous. Nous, us, meaning us. Nous nous appelons Diana et Dina. Us, we are called Diana and Dina. Then we have lui, il s'appelle Harrison. Him, he is called Harrison. And then we have eux, il s'appelle Katana et Nancy. Them, they are called Katana. Katana is male and female, Nancy. So now Katana and Nancy, we use masculine form. When we have both the genders, we use masculine form il, and il goes with eux. Eux, il s'appelle Katana et Nancy. Then we have a dialogue here between Jean. Jean is John, and Marie. Marie is Mary. We have bonjour. We have already looked at greetings in French. Bonjour, hello. Je m'appelle Jo. I am called John. Et toi, you see another use, and you. Et toi, et toi, et toi, et toi. Tu t'appelles comment? You already know how to ask somebody's name. Tu t'appelles comment? Tu t'appelles comment? And she answers, moi, je m'appelle Marie. Moi, me, I am called. Moi, je. Moi, je m'appelle Marie. Lui, il s'appelle Paul. Lui, il s'appelle Paul. Elle s'appelle Sophie. Elle s'appelle Sophie. Nous, nous nous appelons Jean et Paul. Nous nous appelons Jean et Paul. Et vous, and you, et vous, vous vous appelez comment? Vous vous appelez comment? What are your names? Vous vous appelez comment? Et vous, and you, and you, and you. You are called who? Nous, us, nous nous appelons les frères Martha. Nous nous appelons les frères Martha. Eux, them, they are called. Eux, ils s'appellent les Dupont. Eux, ils s'appellent les Dupont. Elle s'appelle Clara et Julie. Elle s'appelle Clara et Julie. Again, we read this passage. Bonjour. Comment allez-vous? Bonjour, hello. Comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous is a greeting. And we have already looked at greetings. So the response for greeting is je vais très bien. Je vais bien or je vais très bien. Bonjour. Comment allez-vous? Je vais très bien. Et vous, and you, et vous? Moi aussi, je vais très bien. Moi, me, also. Aussi is also. Moi aussi, je vais très bien. This is the response. I'm also going on well. Je vais très bien. Comment vous appelez-vous? Comment vous appelez-vous? What is your name? Comment vous appelez-vous? And he says, moi, je m'appelle Pierre. Me, I am called Peter. Comment ça s'écrit? Comment ça s'écrit? Comment ça s'écrit means, how is it written? He has said that he is called Peter. So how is Peter written? So when you want to ask a person, how is it written? How is that word written? How is that name written? You will ask them, comment ça s'écrit? Comment ça s'écrit? Comment ça s'écrit? Comment ça s'écrit? And they are going to answer with, maybe to spell with P-I-E-R-R-E. P-I-E-R-R-E. Pierre. Pierre, that is how it is written. He has spelled, and vous, and you, and then he asked her, vous, and you, comment vous appelez-vous? Comment vous appelez-vous? What is your name? And you, what is your name? And she says, je m'appelle Janine. Je m'appelle Janine. Je m'appelle Janine. I am called Jane. Jane. I am called Jane. And then he asked her, épelez s'il vous plaît. Épelez means spell. Spell. When you want to tell a person to spell a word or a name, you ask them, épelez. You use épelez. Épelez s'il vous plaît. S'il vous plaît means please. S'il vous plaît means please. S'il vous plaît means please. Épelez s'il vous plaît. Spell please. Épelez s'il vous plaît. And she spells J-A-N-I-N-O. J-A-N-I-N-O. Janine. Janine. Merci et au revoir, Janine. Thank you and goodbye. Au revoir. Au revoir, Janine. Thank you and goodbye, Jane. And then, enchanté, Pierre. Jane says, enchanté, Pierre. Enchanté means pleasure. Pleasure. Pleasure to meet you. Pleasure. Enchanté, Pierre. Enchanté, Pierre. Pleasure to meet you, Peter. Enchanté, Pierre. Enchanté, Pierre. So now we have learned our pronotonic, that they are used for laying emphasis. They are used for laying emphasis. And something else that we have learned now is about comment ça s'écrit. How is it written? Comment ça s'écrit? And they spell how it is written. And Again, you can also tell a person, épelez s'il vous plaît. Épelez spell. Épelez please, s'il vous plaît. Épelez s'il vous plaît. And they spell. So that is the end of our lesson. Remember to subscribe, like, comment and share. Merci et au revoir.